Hey there, Financial Futures family. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some fantastic news from the Social Security Administration that could make a huge difference for many of you out there, especially if you or someone you know is thinking about applying for Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. They've just announced a brand new online application process that promises to speed things up significantly. That means faster approval times, which is incredibly important for those who need benefits as quickly as possible. So stick around because I'm going to break down all the details for you right here. But before we dive in, can I ask a quick favor? If you're excited about this news and you find value in the information I provide, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Financial Futures for all the latest updates on Social Security, benefits, and financial tips. Your support means the world to me. Alright, let's jump into the details. Just a few days ago, the Social Security Administration, or SSA, made an announcement that they are rolling out a new online application process for SSI. Now, let me clarify real quick, this is specifically for Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. So if you're receiving retirement benefits, SSDI, or survivor's benefits, this particular update doesn't apply directly to you. This is focused on SSI, which is a program that provides financial assistance to individuals with limited income and resources, who are disabled, blind, or age 65 and older. Currently, there are over 7 million people receiving SSI benefits, and each year, many more apply. One of the biggest frustrations with the SSI application process is how lengthy and complicated it can be. It often requires tons of paperwork, a lot of back and forth, and sometimes months of waiting without any clear communication. I'm sure many of you can relate to that frustration. Well, the SSA has been listening. They've been asking beneficiaries and their own staff for feedback on how to make this process better. The result? An online application system that aims to simplify and speed up the entire process. Starting this December, the SSA will roll out this new application for a select group of people, those who are new applicants, between the ages of 18 and nearly 65, and who have never been married. What does this mean for you? If you're a new applicant within this age range, you'll be able to apply online for SSI benefits, streamlining the process and potentially getting faster approval. This is great news because, as some of you might know, waiting for an approval can sometimes take a really long time, sometimes even up to 220 days for other benefits like SSDI. This online application should help cut down on that waiting time. Now, if you're thinking, but what about everyone else? Don't worry. The SSA has announced that they plan to expand this online application process to all applicants by the end of 2025. So while it might take some time to roll out completely, this is definitely a step in the right direction. They're calling this initiative the I-Claim expansion. So if you hear that term, now you know what it's about. If you're considering applying for SSI and you fall into the group that will have access to the new online application in December, here's what you should do: start gathering all your necessary documents and information now. Even though the process will be online, you'll still need to provide proof of your financial status, medical records if you're applying due to a disability, and other relevant information. The more prepared you are, the smoother the process will go. If you want to read more about this new application process, I've got a link to the official SSA press release in the description below. You can check it out and get all the details straight from the source. And remember, if you're already receiving SSI, this new online application doesn't apply to you, it's just for new applicants. Before I go, I just want to say how encouraging it is to see the SSA making these kinds of improvements. It's been a big year for changes in Social Security, and it's exciting to see more updates that aim to help beneficiaries like you. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help you navigate these changes and make the process as easy as possible. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Check out some of the other videos on the channel for more great information, and I'll see you next time. Take care.